Hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to DM on Instagram in 2021. So if this video helps you out, or if you like this video, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all, so that you never miss any tutorial just like this. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open Instagram. Okay, so after opening Instagram, just go to the search section, or just go to any account that you want to send DM. Now what is the meaning of DM? DM is basically direct message. So in this video, for now I will just search for Robert Downey Jr. So just so let's say I want to message Robert Downey Jr. or DM Robert Downey Jr. So I will just click on this message. Okay, so by clicking on this message, this is how you send DM. So just send anything you want. So this is how you send DM to a public account, but let's say you want to send a message to a private account. So in that case, let's say a private account. So this is a private account. As you can see, this is a private account, and let's say you want to message him. So there is no option called message here, there is only option called follow. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to just click on this top right corner 3 dots, and as you can see, there is an option called send message. So this is how you DM to a private account. So as you can see, as you just click on this send message, so here you can just send message to that person, to that private account. So this is how you DM to a private account. And I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments what do you think. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all, so that you never miss any tutorials just like this. And I would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.